Today I'm going to show you how to get power and full two-way communication for your motorized shades and screens over 2-conductor cable by using what's inside of this pack of gum. This is Fontus and it's our new codec. And stick around, I'm going to show you how it works. In this system behind me, we've got a Janus with our traditional multi-conductor cable coming out of the terminal block side to power and control this shade. So you can see as I operate this shade, the power and control is moving over this multi-conductor wire in order to tell that shade where it needs to go, where it needs to stop, and supply the power to do so. But what happens if I don't have a multi-conductor cable? If I don't have a multi-conductor cable, then traditionally I would be stuck with only being able to run power. So what we're able to do with Fontus, I have a 2-conductor cable connected to a Fontus at this end, and that same 2-conductor cable, which I'm gonna connect into the shade. And notice how nicely Fontus fits because of its size. It can be mounted nice and easily to a DIN rail. And we also include these handy jumpers to connect it to the Janus system. And now I have my 2-conductor system. And as you can see, I have about 150 feet of cable connected to this wire. And the Fontus codes that information properly and sends the power and the control over 2-conductor cable. Now, what other kinds of 2-conductor cable can I use? Well, I'm glad you asked. What about a lamp cord? And Fontus just works. Voila! What about Romex? Give that a shot. What about coax? What about 16-2 speaker cable? And because no one expected it, spiral notebooks. All right, so next time you're on a job site and you find all you have is 2-conductor wire run to your motors, don't fret, just think Fontus. Even if you've only run 2 spiral notebooks, Fontus is still gonna save your day. Check us out online at screeninnovations.com or give us a call. We'll be happy to help you out with your next project.
Hello, kids. You've just witnessed trained and proficient professionals experimenting with variations of wiring that you possibly couldn't have imagined in your wildest dreams. Now, we gladly bring this to you as an example of what is possible, but not necessarily probable on a project. Now, if that doesn't make sense, that's okay. We're here to tell you that things do work sometimes, but it doesn't necessarily mean it should work, nor should you specify it on your projects. If you have any questioning as to whether the wiring on your project will work in said specified situation, please call Shade Support or Design Services. We'll gladly walk through it with you and give it our yay or nay as to its viability. Thanks a lot. Jesus, that was long-winded.